Greetings everyone and welcome to another video on my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial for you guys, and the tutorial that I'm doing is going to be for the song Getsemane by Sbu Noah. So we're in the key of A flat, and there are just two parts to the song, so we'll start off with the chorus part that everybody knows, and then we'll also just do the verse. So this should be a relatively quick tutorial, but as always, it will not be relatively quick if I decide to add some stuff, but then I don't think there's much to add in the song. Okay, let's do it. So the song goes right? So that's literally how that part goes. We're playing a 6, 5, 4, 1 over 3, 4 over 2, 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 1, right? So the 6. So now I've showed you the basic chord, how it looks, but I'm not going to do it with the basic chord now. I'm going to do it the more the more meaty chord. So left hand's playing a 6, 3, 6, right hand's playing a 3, 5, 6, 1. But I like rolling that 5 into a 6. Then our left hand's playing a 5, 2, 5, right hand's playing a 7, 2, 5, 7. Left hand's playing a 4, 1, 3, right hand's playing a 6, 2, 3, 6. And once again, I'm rolling that 2 into a 3. Left hand's playing a 3, 1, 2. Right hand's playing a 5, 1, 2, 5. So just to repeat that section. Right? Left hand's playing a 2, 1, 2. Right hand's playing a 4, 1. Sorry, a 4, 6, 1, 4. Left hand's doing a 5 octave. Right hand's doing a 3, 5, 1. Left hand stays the same on that 5 octave, right hand goes to a 4, 6, 2. Now left hand goes to a 1, 5, 1, right hand goes to a 2, 3, 5, 1. So to repeat again. Then you just repeat that, right? But then now, the one thing what you can do is, because we're going to a 6, right? We can do a passing chord of a 5 flat, or sorry, a 6 flat to get into the 6. This is a nice way to do it. Left hand's doing a 6 flat, 4, 6 flat. Right hand's doing a 7, 2, 7. But you can add the 4 and the 6 flat in between, or you can just leave that out. Right, so as you can see, there's not much to that. There will be a lot of repetition. So another way, I'll show you different ways that you can play like that passing chord before you get into a 6, so that you can do it in different ways, so you don't just keep repeating. Another thing you can do is this. Left hand's doing a 3, 1, 3, right hand's doing a 6 flat, 1, 2, 5. See, it follows the melody. Yet, and right, right. Then Another thing which you can do is instead of playing chords, you can literally just do like talking the melody, kind of, with your right hand while doing like embellishments around the notes you're doing. Like, what I mean is like this, right? So instead of doing like the 6 flat chord before the 6, you can do this. I'm starting on the 1, then I'm rolling from a 7, 7 flat, 6, 6 flat. So after a 6 flat, you do a 6, 7. But you hear what I'm doing? So when I'm hitting that 6 flat, left hand's going to be playing a 3, 1, 3. 6, 7. Then when I hit the 1, left hand's going to hit a 6, 3, 5. But you see, I don't hit the 1 directly. I do a grace note of the 7 into it. So listen to this. That's very slowly what I'm playing. And I'm doing the same thing over there. So if you listen to okay, I'm going to give you guys some homework. You see the chords which I showed you to play? Those chords over there, the top note is the melody notes. So exactly what I'm playing here, that's exactly what I'm playing up there, except I'm leaving out every single other note except the top note. So once you learn how to play a song, listen to what you're actually doing with the top note, the melody line. Take everything out in your right hand and just play that. And that's exactly how you play this, what I'm playing here. And the same thing with the left hand. What I'm playing with the bottom note. So the chords I showed you to play, take out anything else except the bottom note. Then you'll be playing what I'm playing here with everything moved out. So that's how we play the part. Now let's go into the verse part where it says Ngikumbula yenu Jesu. So it sounds like this, right? Right. Left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 1, 4, 5, 1. So right. Then left hand's doing a 1, 5, 1, right hand's doing a 2, 3, 5. Passing chord of a 5 octave. This is the Yenu Jesu. Left hand's doing a 4, 1, 3. Right hand's doing a 6, 2, 3, 6. But I'm gracing that 2 into the 3. Left hand's doing a 3, 1, 2. Right hand's doing a 5, 1, 2, 5. So da 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 da. Right, so we're going to repeat that. Then we're going to repeat it again, except this time, left hand's going to be doing a 2, 6, 1. And then right hand is now going to be doing a 6, 1, 4, 6. We're not going to be doing the 2, 3, 6. We're going to do a 1, 4. Left hand's doing a 5 octave. Right hand's doing a 5, 1, 3, 5. So it's 5, 3. Left hand's staying the same on 5 octave. Right hand's doing a 4, 5, 2. Right hand's doing a 4, 1. Then now left hand's doing a 5, 1, 5. sorry, 1 5 1, and right hand's doing it 2 3 5 1. So to repeat that, da 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 da. Repeat. This is the wang twa lela, wang twangela, wang twa lela. You're literally just repeating that part over there, right? So that's literally all that part is, because then eventually after they gonna repeat back into ngikumbula, right? And then after that they're gonna eventually go back to Ewe, right? Ewe Getsemane. So I'm gonna play it through one more time from Ewe Getsemane just to show you how it sounds. So alright guys, that's the end of the tutorial. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video here, and until next time guys, stay blessed.